Hello all and welcome to Abnormal Psychology 2310 for the summer term. I am Maggie and your instructor for the term. I hope you all had a happy and very nice, enjoyable July 4th, and now it's time to get back to work, and I'm going to tell you a little bit today about some of the things that we have here for abnormal psychology. First, I want you to look at the overview. You can see it here up in the left hand side in the table of contents is the overview. It gives you some information about the course, and if you have not received your book yet, now remember we're in a short course. It's only 6 weeks. You can find it here at Vital Source. There's an ebook that you can purchase that you can get automatically right on your desktop. So that would be very helpful for you. And then another thing I want to show you, course schedule. This is a nice tool. It gives you at a glance things that are due coming up. Here, nothing for today, but tomorrow there's 2 discussions due, Unit 1 and Unit 2 discussions. And then we have the next 7 days. Sunday, we have a historical, cultural context assignment. We'll talk about that a little bit later. And then Chapter 1 quiz, Chapter 2 quiz, and Chapter 3 quiz. Now, I have to tell you that there's only 2 units, or 2 weeks, I should say, that there are 2 units per week, which is week 1 and week 3. So the other weeks only have 1 unit in them. And then let's take a look at some of the unit content. Wait, let's go back to the course information. Under course information, you can find the syllabus and schedule. I really suggest that you print out the schedule. Here it is. This gives you an overview of every week, what's going on every week. Then you can have a written view of that instead of having to log on. So I do suggest that you print that out. And then also under course information, we have assignment instructions are here. You can also find that under unit content. APA resources. This guidelines is a 14-page doc that can help you a lot with your APA. It gives you lots of examples. And then there's other sources here too. And then we also have 2 textbook chapters, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 of the course are here. That's the only ones I have. You can use those if you like. And then let's move on to let me see, where are we at here? Unit 1. Let's take a look at Unit 1. Unit 1, there's always a little overview of the chapter, a summary of the chapter. We also have a checklist. I suggest that you print that out, and that'll help you keep track of the work for the unit. Here, this week we have PowerPoint slides here, introductions, add a photo of yourself, go up to the communication link and the class list, and you can add a photo of yourself. I appreciate if everyone does that. And then here's a video that you'll need to watch before posting to the discussion, so there it is. And then there's also a worksheet. The worksheet does not have to be turned in. That's just for you to think about what is abnormal and what is not abnormal, and how difficult it is to decide about normal and abnormal. Then we have a discussion for Unit 1. There it is. You can take a look at that. And then we have graded quizzes, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 here. And then we also have practice study quizzes. I suggest using these to help you as you're studying and reading the chapter. Just go ahead and click on those. There are 5 questions if you have 5 minutes, and you can use them to study for the quiz and study the chapter content. You can take them as many times as you like. Those are ungraded. Those are just for study and practice quizzes. So that is Unit 1, and then we have Unit 2 here, which is still due this week. Here's the summary of the chapter, and then the checklist is here. Reading Chapter 3, the DSM website is here, And then here's our Unit 2 discussion. Again, that's due tomorrow night, July 6th. So you'll need to start working on that. And then we have a Chapter 3 quiz. And then the Historical Cultural Context assignment is due on July 9th. You can click here for the instructions, or you can go to course information. It's the same. This gives you detailed instructions about what you need to do for this assignment. Okay, and use APA style for citations and formatting. Like I said, go to the course information under APA resources to find a nice document for APA style. I don't expect you to use full-blown APA style. I do expect you to have things like the formatting, 1-inch margins all around. Double spacing is a part of APA. Each paragraph should be tabbed over. The beginning of each paragraph, you should be, did I say double spacing? Double spacing, and in-text citations and references, a reference list. Those are the elements that I'm looking for. You do not have to do an abstract or author note or anything like that. You don't have to do that. I'm not looking for that. I'm really looking to make sure that your paper looks professional, scholarly, and that you are using in-text citations. Whenever you use the words and ideas of another, you are citing it with the author and then having a reference on your reference page to that. Like I said, there are some APA resources under course information. You can look at that. Or there is lots of information about APA style online too. Purdue OWL is a great resource, or CAS, SCTCC CAS. You can also go there for help with APA. But there's plenty of APA tutorials and that online too. So, but like I said, I'm looking for the basics of APA. I'm not looking for you to do graduate level work. I'm looking for you to have your citations, your references, and it looks, like a professional scholarly paper is what I'm looking for. So that will be, this paper is due on Sunday also. So you'll put that into the assignment folder. Other things that you can look for here is grades. When you go to look at your grades, I suggest going under assessments, and on the right hand side you'll see a link to view your rubric. So do that and keep track of your grades. Go in there frequently. I'm going to try and keep them updated on a very timely manner, because we only have 6 weeks here, so you can take a look at that. And I suggest for you to visit the course room frequently, and also log on to your emails frequently. This is a 6-week course, which is nice, because then you're done with it and you get your credits. But also it's very compact. There's lots of information in a very short time. So I suggest that you visit often into the classroom. If you have questions, you can use the communication discussions. There is a student-centered discussion here. You can ask questions, or you can interact with other students here too. That's one option, or you can just send me an email and I will get back to you. Somebody had a question here about the databases. So here, let's take a look at this. Take a look at my response here. So you can go back, you can go to the response and look at it. I've got information about APA style, or finding information about the databases using the library databases. So that's another way for you to get more information. And like I said, email me if you have questions. I will gladly get back to you very shortly. So if you need anything, please let me know. Otherwise, work hard, and I know you can do it. Bye-bye.